In this video, I'm unboxing the Keychron K2 keyboard. So this is a wireless keyboard, it's a mechanical keyboard, and this is what it looks like. Works with OS and Windows. And it pairs up to 3 devices at once, has a long-lasting battery life, has lighting effects, and is one of the most popular keyboards currently. So let's have a look at it. This one, pretty affordable keyboard overall. Bought this one off Amazon, and once again, pretty sustainable packaging. This is the actual instructions of the keyboard. So it has like different key switches that you can replace. It has the Option, Command, and Alt buttons that you can actually replace there. Pretty great. Comes with this, and below that is the actual keyboard. So as a wireless keyboard, feels pretty good. Pretty heavy actually. I think a lot of people end up customizing this keyboard. Overall, pretty nice, clean design. Actually looks very similar to a keyboard that I've actually already got. So this is going to be interesting. That spacebar, man, has pretty good sound. Overall, pretty affordable and nice keyboard that's wireless. Comes with instructions and some extras. So we have a few extra keys in this bag, and we have the actual cable, which is it's an interesting sort of cable because it has USB Type-C, but it has this sort of thing on it, which is interesting. So it comes through the side, and it comes with one of these tools as well. That's for lifting up the keys. So overall, that's everything inside the box. Comes with a cable, comes with the tool, and some extra keys that we can have a look at. Yeah, just icons for windows and some different colors. So you can get the light bulb, but in orange, and do this, and then it just comes off like that. And then that's how you take them off, like that. And then you easily can just click that back in, like that. If we want another example, maybe we could do this one. Then that just pulls off, like that, boom. And then let's have a look at this cable. Very, very nice cable, nice braided sort of cable. That's how long it is, pretty short actually. It's only a meter long, which is interesting, but I guess because this is a wireless keyboard, you don't exactly need it. And all the power options are on the side. We've got a few different options here, which is interesting. This thing, so it switches between the cable options or the wireless connections. And then we've got another switch here for Android and OS, which is interesting. And then we've actually got the connection button over here, which we just click in like that. That just comes out like that. So it is a pretty unique design in terms of the actual side switches. I've not seen that before in a keyboard, but it's nice to have that as an option. Alright, pretty sick. We got this cool sort of lighting show at first, and we have lights underneath that have RGB lighting. But what's interesting is it's a mechanical keyboard, but the keypad is so high up that it's you don't actually see the underlying LED lights, but you can definitely see them up above and through the actual text on the keys. So we've got front lighting and back lighting. Overall, pretty good design and everything. I actually really like this. It's really, really nice. So it's not as heavy as some other keyboards that I've got. So if I was to compare, we've got the Origins by HyperX. So let's compare the two. So the HyperX keyboard is actually a lot heavier than this keyboard over here, and people wanted me to compare the two because they are very similar. And the keyboard, as you can see, comes up a little bit more on this keyboard than on here. So you see all the RGB lights and stuff like that, and very similar design, I guess, with everything. The major differences is that this one is a lot thinner in terms of actual overall size. And as well as that, this one actually has macOS connectivity, and this one has more keys that you can customize on the actual keyboard. We've got another layer of the actual keys at the top. So overall, I'll probably be using this one more than this one. This one's more like a Windows gaming PC, and it's a bit heavier. This one has a bit more portability to it. What's interesting is we have the switches on the sides and we have some pretty cool lights underneath. Overall, I'm kind of liking this keyboard. The only difference is also, so the HyperX keyboard does come with a longer cable, but if you're using it for like office use, I guess that doesn't really matter at the end of the day. I guess like just having the keyboard nice and close to your laptop or your computer, that's all that matters at the end of the day. Both come with this tool as well. Oh, and obviously also this one has wireless connectivity and this one doesn't. So that's a major difference there. There's actually two different sort of spacebar sounds. So if you listen to this and listen to this, kind of prefer this spacebar over here with this one. Has a nicer sound overall. Like I find the keypad just having like a bit nicer sound overall. I kind of like this one a little bit more than the other one. And I like that it has the Bluetooth connectivity. And I don't like the keypad on this one because like the function buttons and stuff like that. Overall, I'm definitely preferring this one. It's like a nice sturdy build. I'm really liking this. So overall, that's my thoughts and feelings on this one. Like and subscribe if you want to see the next video. I'll see you guys next time.